Alright, well, welcome to the next day. I did this video and the water, and I walked all the way down. Obviously you can see that the road is open now. I'm going to walk down to where, as far as I could go. So I looked, the water was, actually it's going to be hard to tell where I was. I'm going to say it was not much more than here. I know, it was, oh, but that tree is gone. They already took it down, actually. So that tree was on the other side of the road. You can now, well, I'm going to get down so you can see where the, since it's coming the evening, I don't want to go in the sun. So, I think you can see the river. Oh wow, it's still really raging. All the way to there. I almost want to hold it horizontally. Alright, turn in. And then I guess I'll go to where this side is just so crazy. Alright, sorry. Somebody's playscape slide. And something else down there. Oh, that's a broken kayak. Interesting. So as swollen as it is here, well, you can still see it's going to that left side of the trees, but this is the regular bank. Well, just wider.